This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, just before starting up the new drawing, let us come to a main part which you are into, like architectural visualization. Let us try to draw a floor plan here. Just kindly copy down this fast. Copy down this drawing. Cleared? Now, can anyone tell me that how can we start this? Because it's a combination of lines, only we have this. So how can we draw this drawing? And here we have, first analyze the drawing. From this point to this point, it's 20 feet. And from this point to this point, it is 10 feet. Inner one from this point to this point is 9 feet 6 inches. This double quote stands for inches. Single quote is feet. And the height is 4 feet 6 inches. And this door part is 3 feet. And the distance between these two lines are 6 inch. Now from where can we start? Can anyone tell me fast? Put it in chat box or unmute and speak.
So we could start by drawing the outer box first.
Yeah, but it is specified with 20 feet, right? How can I give the value? Now we need 20 feet width and 10 feet height. See, there are two ways to do this drawing. I'll just explain you the both the methods. Okay, you just practice both the methods and stick on to the method which you are comfortable with. First, set the units. This I can completely make it into feet or let it be in inches. What I'll do is I'll convert everything in inches. That means 20 feet is how many inches? Any guess or any idea? How many inches is 1 feet?
So 12 inches.
Yes. The 12-inch is 1 feet. So keeping this base, you just convert everything. Now 20 feet in the sense how many inches? Open up your calculators and tell me fast.
240, sir.
Yeah, 10 feet.
120.
Yes, right. Now I'll take a line, same at the rate 240, and 0 at the rate 120, then 270. Now we have this. Okay, so clearly we specified 240 and 120. So now next we need another line with a distance of 6 inches. So what you can do is you have a new command called offset. Offset, the command is O. Okay, just type O, enter, specify the value 6. Need not to convert because it is already in inches. Enter. Just click this, and if you put it outside, it will copy it to the outside or inside. So wherever you want it, you just decide it. I'll put it inside this, this, and this. Okay, now you know trim option, TR, enter. Why it's not trimming? Can anyone reply?
Double enter, sir.
So I have used trim, but I can't able to trim this. What may be the reason?
So you have to enter it 2 times.
Sorry, can you speak a bit louder?
You have to press the enter button 2 times.
Yes. So TR 2 times. Now we can easily trim it. Now the outer part is completed. Let's go for the inner part. 9 feet 6 inch. Can you convert this into inches? How much is 9 feet 6 inch into inch? It's not 9.5. Remember, it is 9 feet 6 inch.
Sir, is it 108?
Or not 8.
Yes, sir.
But 9 feet is 108, right? 9 feet 6 inch is there, right? Or not 8 plus 6 you have to add. 108 is right. Because 6 inch is there, plus 6 you need to add it. That is 114. So
Okay, sir.
offset, yeah. O, enter. Use the command offset and enter the value 114. Offset this to this extent. Again, offset. We have 4 feet 6 inch. How much the value will be? 4 feet 6 inches.
54, sir.
Yeah, 54. Enter. Again, we need a 6 inches gap, offset 6, this and this. Now trim it. The same way again, offset. I'll just specify the value. There we need 3 feet, right? So create this offset. Again offset 36. Now trim it. These two lines, instead of trimming, you can just select and you can remove it. Now our completed, whatever the drawing provided here, it's ready. Any doubts in this? Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. If you are feeling this method is very lengthy or very difficult, we have another alternative method. And please remember one thing, we don't have any methodology in AutoCAD. That means you should be do a drawing in only this particular way. That's why I'm showing two methods for each drawing, like I showed for that circle. Let us create a new one. Under the units, what I'll do is, instead of decimal, I'll choose architectural. Okay, I'll choose architectural. I will not touch the precision value. This insertion scale, let it be in inches. Now we'll click on OK. Now AutoCAD can understand the quote language. That means single quotes, double quotes. It can understand the feet and inches. No need of conversion. So we have a command called rectangle. Command is REC. Remember the command. REC is a command for rectangle. Click on the screen to first point, then use @ value, comma, value. This symbol is mandatory. See, REC, enter. I'll click on the screen. We have it like this. Now, @ 20 feet. You can see the screen. I'm just giving a single quote, comma, 10 feet. Enter. Z enter, E enter. You can see. Now, offset of enter. So 6 double quotes. We don't need not to trim here because it's coming in a concentric way. Again, REC @ 9 feet 6 inches, comma 4 feet 6 inches. Enter. So we need to move this now. If I select and if I try to move it like this, we can't able to move it. Okay, we have a command called move. Command is M. To move any particular object, we can use the command called move, and the command is M. Now M, enter. Just click, enter. Pick the point. That means I'll just pick this corner point. I'll just click here. It's neatly placed. Now offset, I'll use 6 inches. Click outside. Now this line also has to be trimmed because it has been overlapped. Now again RAC, rate 3 feet 6 inches, comma 3 feet. Same command, M enter, place it at the bottom. Now M enter, select this, enter, choose the bottom point. It's moving up like this. You can give the value like at the rate, I'll give 4 feet less than 90. Same drawing, even this is the same drawing. So either in units you can set it directly to architectural and you can give the value without any conversions, or if you are flexible with the conversion you can just do it up with a line by keeping decimal in the units. Okay, so come to a conclusion after practicing both the ways. Okay, by saying don't come to a conclusion this method is easy or this method is difficult. First practice both the ways, then come to a conclusion which method is easy and you just start following that. Any doubts in this? Okay, so before going to the next drawing, how many of you are not downloaded AutoCAD till now? Just reply in chat box. Has not downloaded. Either unmute and speak or you can just put it up in the chat box. Okay, one. Any other? Except Aditi, everyone has downloaded and everyone is using it. Okay, except two. Guess it's Ume Honey. So now what I'll do is I'll give you an assignment today. So kindly finish it by Friday. So today is Wednesday. So tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, 2 days time I'm giving you. Finish it and send me in that WhatsApp group. Okay. So kindly note down this drawing. See, this is a rough sketch which is drawn in a paper. So every value it is there. So either you can convert to inches or you convert everything into feet. You can do it. Otherwise directly setting up to architecture and you can do it. How to add text and all I'll show you now. Kindly just take a screenshot or write down this fast. Have you noted? Okay. So first try this. Let me know what doubts you'll get it. Now we'll just move on to the next part of the AutoCAD. So the next drawing, we call it as an isometric drawings. Okay, we'll just do an isometric drawings. These drawings usually it will be in the angle of 30 degree. So and we need to do some settings before drawing into an AutoCAD. So these drawings will be something like this. Okay, now you can see this drawing from here to here it's 45, and from here to here it's 80, and from here to here it's 30, here to here it's 30, same 30, 30, 30, 30. This up one is 20, 20, 20. It's a staircase basically. So we have all the values over here. So this clearly it shows that it is 30 plus 30 plus 30, it's 90. 20 plus 20 plus 20, it's 60. So 80 plus 45, this is 125. Okay. So before drawing this, go to AutoCAD. Here we have a grid icon. Okay. You can turn it off, you can turn it on. But you can use F7 also. So now what I'll do is right click on the grid, go for grid settings. Okay. Remember or note it down somewhere. Right click on the grid, go for grid settings. So under this, just choose an isometric snap. Okay. And just click on OK. Can see the crosshair till now it was with a plus and now it was like a cross. The crosshair has changed. Next key we have to use is F8. That is for ortho. Okay. Ortho basically used to create a straight lines, perfect straight lines. I'll press F8. Ortho is on. Or you can directly see with this here. I can turn off, I can turn it on. Okay. So after this, another key you need to remember is F5. Change the isoplane direction. Okay. If you want to change the isoplane direction directly, I can use this. Now, let us begin. L enter, same line tool. Pick anywhere on the screen. Okay, so see the line is up, down. Angular line automatically it's taking. So our value is 80 plus 45. I'll give 125. Okay, same way. Now the line has to draw in this direction, but I can't able to draw it. Press F5, it will change the direction. Press F5. Now I'll give 90. Again F5 and give 60. Same F5. Opposite sides are equal. 125, 90. Okay, so till now we are done. Now see the drawing. Inside part we need to create. If you are confused with the drawing, just I'll show you. So we have a drawing. I'll just draw a line over that so you can able to recognize which is the proper drawing. This is what exactly we drawn in AutoCAD. Now this is 45. This you need to draw, and this is 80. And this is 20. This is 30. I got a clear picture of the drawing. So same L enter. Click. Don't need to use like at the rate or less than symbol because angle is already predefined, and distance we need to specify directly the value. Like I'll give 20. Show the direction with the mouse. Move the mouse towards this. 30, 20, 30, 20. I'll use L from each point. F5. I'll draw a line of 80. Now from this point, we have 45. Words down. So minus 20, we have 40. Start the same. Press F5. 30, 20, 30, 20. Don't click with the mouse. Please specify with the value and don't use the command close. Cleared? Any confusions or any clarifications? Let me know. Or if you want me to repeat once, I'll repeat it once. Any confusions, or if you want any clarifications, I'll repeat it once. Please let me know. So I'm not getting any response. So I'm repeating you once. Just see. Right click on the grid settings, isometric snap. Just click on OK. Turn on ortho, and you're ready to draw. Okay. See the drawing. This is 125, and this line is total is 90, and this total is 60. Based on this, we are drawing. I'll enter 125. How to change the direction?
Sir, F5.
Yes. F5. 90. Again F5. 60. F5. 25. Give you an F5. 90. F5. 60. These lines are joining properly, in the sense you are in the right path. If these lines are not joining properly, if it is intersecting, so you have done mistake in some certain point. So now L enter 20, 30, 20, 30, 20, 30. Again L enter 45, 40, 80. Now, as I said, from each point you need to draw a line of 80. What will be the distance from this to this? What will be the distance between this point to this point? See here, the total distance what we have here is 90. Already we have drawn this 30. So this. So 90 minus 30, we have 60. I'll enter. Into 60. Same. Continue. 30. 20. 30. Cleared? Any doubts? And these are the major aspects what we are doing today, like floor plan or isometric drawings. These plays a major role for architectural part, and slightly it's required for your 3ds max also. Last class already I told you once.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we must move on to the next drawing. So just kindly note down this or take a screenshot and analyze it. We'll do this drawing. Okay, this has look complicated, but it's the very easiest drawing in AutoCAD. We'll just do it. Just analyze the drawing. I'll give you 2 minutes. Analyze it. So any idea you got from where to start? So here we have to use two new command, that is ellipse, command is el, and the second one is fillet, command is f. Okay, remember this, these are the two new commands which we're gonna use to this particular drawing. Okay, first we need a line, so 3.25 and 2.12. So let's take a new drawing. Great. So now turn on the ortho. Whenever you're drawing the straight lines from today onwards, you can turn on the ortho, L enter, click, no need of at the rate or any angle, 3.25. Okay. Now the next part is from the center point of this line, we need a line of 2.12. So can you tell me what is 2.12 divided by 2 without calculator? Simple one.
1.06.
1.06. Yeah. L enter. So how can I find out the midpoint of this? How can I find out a midpoint of this?
So by using O snap.
Yeah. So OSNAP is on. F3 is a shortcut. Just go on moving a line over here. Here you have a midpoint. Now up 1.06. Same way down 1.06. We have our basic skeleton ready. Now use a command called ellipse. EL is a command. Already told, EL is a command for ellipse. So type the command EL, enter. Now choose 3 points, that means A, B and C. 3 points you need to specify. I'll give 1, and this is the second point, and this is the third point. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy the center line to end. Now see the drawing. We have 0.375 distance to draw this circle, and we have 0.75 a distance from the center to this circle. So first we'll concentrate on this 0.375, offset 0.375. Just click this, click here. Same way, 0.75, O enter, 0.75. Cleared till this?
Yes, sir.
How about others? Okay, now just draw a circle. here you can see the arrow mark, radius of 0.15. Circle, click 0.15. Next, we have another circle over here. That radius neatly they are specified over here, 0.37. Circle, 0.37. So now we need a circle of diameter 1.38. So what is 1.38 divided by 2? 1.38 divided by 2.
0.29.
0.29. Is that right?
0.69.
Sorry? See the
0.6.
value 1.38.
0.69.
Yeah. So come back. 0.69. Now next portion, we have this inner one, an abstract shape we have, if you observe here neatly. So here it's clearly specified that this curve of radius 1.81. Okay. Eight one. So we got a circle, same way. From this point, 1.81. whatever is provided, it's neatly provided, like R 0.12 and R 0.25. So to get this, what I can do is you can use a command, and you need to specify the radius for the fillet. Okay, the corner roundness you will get it. Now I'll give F enter, then R enter. I'll give the radius of around 5. And okay, so if I give higher value, it's showing the error. You can see invalid, the file radius is too large. We'll give 0.5. This same concept, we'll be using it for this, an intersected object. 0.12, F enter, R enter, 0.12. Select these two lines, this and this. Okay, same way, F enter, R enter, same, 0.12, this. Come back to the drawing, and this portion here you have R 0.25. So I'll give F enter, R enter, 0.25. Select this particular line and this. Again, F enter, R enter, 0.25. Cleared till this, or any confusions?
No doubts, sir.
How about others? Okay, now trim the area which you not required. See, I can remove this extra curves which is drawn. Now the missing part is one hexagon we want it. Okay, only that portion I'm leaving it for you. Now it is neatly specified that 0.75. So from top to bottom, 0.75 divided by 2, asking 0.75 divided by 2. What will be the value?
So 0.37.
0.375.
Yeah. Now what you need to do is you need to offset. O enter 0.375 this line and this portion. Now we need a hexagon over here based on this center point. Okay. Now only that particular portion I'm leaving. That particular portion, try it and get back. Okay. And if you have any doubts, ask me in the next class. Only to that particular. See, apart from that, everything we have completed in this drawing. Okay. Next command we have here is called as hatching. Command is bh or hatch. Okay, bh is nothing but the boundary hatch. Hatch is nothing but only the hatch. What I can do is I can enter the command bh with the same. See, I can move the mouse here, 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 or to here. I can give only h. Same thing will work. Now here we have this solid color, angle, and click here. We have a different patterns are available here. Different colors are available. I'll choose this gravel. And if I place this, and it's looking to this. So here you have a scale value. So I have 1 is there. I'll make it as 50. I just check. You can see. I can clearly hatch it to anything. If I take honey, see, just click, hatching is done. Hatching is nothing but filling the particular area with colors or the patterns. Okay, now if I want a color, I'll take BH, click here. If you want a single color, I can take solid. I can just choose any color and I can choose it up here. Or use BH. I can choose any gradient kind of use here. Just choose any two colors. Let's take orange, light orange. Just place here. You can see. Wherever it is available, just click. It's applied. Okay, if you don't want this hatching, if you want to delete this particular thing, I can just select delete. I can just choose particular. So any doubts with this? hatching. So the command, both the command will work, bh or h. Any doubts?
No, sir.
And whatever the drawings or whatever the options commands we did in today's session, that plays a major role when it comes to an AutoCAD and when it comes to a department of architecture. So kindly, anyway, you will be getting the video and see the video properly again and practice it. And as usual, just save this. You can save it in this. But when it comes to give it to a print, or if you want to give it to a client, I can't give it this DWG file. So what you can do is CAD button, go for export, and here you have a different formats. The commonly printing format we'll use is PDF. So here we have few options. I'll just tell you. You can see what should be exported, the display. That means whatever you are seeing in the display, this blank area and everything, it'll just export it to PDF. Or here you have extent. If I press Z enter, E enter, how much ever is there, that much it will export. Or the window, the commonly used in AutoCAD is window. Just click on this. It will ask you from where to where you want. I'll click here to here. This much I want it. I'll just save it in desktop itself. Sample drawing. Just save. So let's try to open it. You can see whatever the drawing we have done, it's neatly exported to PDF. Now you can take this into Photoshop and you can just add up an images, whether you wanted a chair, table, sofa, anything, however you want it, you can just add it up. But if you want a text in this, so directly you have a text, or you can type the M text command, click on this, you'll get this. I'll click and I'll drag from where to where you want a text. I'll just type the text. Add floor plan, select this, and here you have the font, whichever the font you want it, you can just choose it. And the size, click on close text editor. Clearly specified here. So you can move it and you can place it wherever you want it. If you want to edit this, just double click. You can edit, or you can increase the size. Like I given 5. Close it. Either you can place it at the top or at the bottom. Okay, so I'll stop at this session for today. So next class we'll just continue with the other topics. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.